Hello guys, today I just want to show you for 2015 Nissan Rogue tire pressure monitor system scales into PSI, kPa, bar and others. So you have to do is, how can you change to PSI from bar to PSI or kPa? So from the steering buttons you have to press, this one is a back button and this one is a menu button. So as you can press the menu, so you can see the screen is so with the different options. Okay, so also there are up and down and enter button. So now use the down and up button for the specific options. Okay, let's go down. So this is a tire pressure options. Just press enter from the steering button and you can see the tire pressure unit. Press again, you will see PSI, kPa, bar, kgf / centimeter cube. Okay, so now it's easy, just press kPa if you wanna set into kPa, bar, whatever. Okay, so this is the method for changing the tire pressure units. So if you don't want to change, just press the back button and that's easy. Okay, now you have to press the menu button one time and then no sign, back button. Yes, so tire pressure PSI, I set it into PSI. When you will change in the unit into the different one, so you will see the unit sign, digits, etc. on the screen. So when you will start driving, then the pressure with the tires display on the screen. So I hope you like the video and you can get the information. So leave a comment if you have any question. Thank you very much. Okay, so now let's start driving and see the effects on the screen.
I wish I would have a back camera.
Okay, I'm turning back. So when the speedometer will go above 30 kilometers an hour, so you will see the pressure will display on the screen. Okay, so start coming on the screen one by one. So school zone. So guys, so you can see